See, this is why I hike. This is why I go outdoors. This is why. Kilig. Good morning vlog. We're heading to some hike. I forgot totally what it's called, but it's gonna be this. I'm gonna put it right here. For breakfast, Janica made tapa and hard-boiled eggs. Very Pinoy, also very hiker. No, that's not true. Because in the Philippines, you can't really prepare breakfast because you leave like 4 a.m. for a hike. Yeah. But here, it's 10 a.m. It's almost, no, it's 8:45. And we're leaving in like 45 minutes to go to the meetup point. What's this? Breakfast of Champions. What's up, guys? It's your girl Ayn. Hiking for the first time in Spain. Ba't di ka masaya? Okay, so right now we are at Plaza de Castilla, waiting for the buses to Cascadas del Hervidero, which is where we're gonna have our hike today. So excited. Hi! Hannah's from Canada and loves candy. That's Billy though. What's his nickname? I don't know.
No idea. We'll come up with one later.
Okay. Yeah. And this is Janica as usual. Thanks. San Agustin, and I think we're in this little bar area with the rest of the hiking group. That's Billy with a beard. We're heading to Cascadas del Hervidero to hike along the Guadalix River and Canyon. Boom! Ni-research ko yun, binasa ko yung email. Okay, anyway, it's raining, so we have 4 layers of clothing on.
Snoop Dogg's favorite weather, what is it?
Billy! Ikaw, go. Oh my god! See the joke? Hello guys! So, I think this is like my first actual hike. Oh, I have new shoes! Let's show Janica's outfit. Okay, so first, you have heat tech underneath, and then you have the fleece. This is the fleece, whatever. And then she has the jacket. Okay, and then heat tech leggings, and then pants. New shoes, new shoes, new shoes. And look at that cap. Thank you so much, Morena the label, for sponsoring. Look what it adds. How do you know if a group is Asian? They all stick together and they're with a camera. And they're so colorful. Look at us compared to the rest of the world. Everyone's wearing black. Yeah, everyone's wearing black or gray. And look at us! Okay, so you know the brand Cuencha. Is it Cuencha? Yeah. I really thought that was a Filipino Chinese brand that we only had in the Philippines. But we came here, and this store called Decathlon, it has all sorts of Cuencha items and they're super cheap. And look at Billy and Janica, they have matching Cuencha backpacks. el puente de something en español. Can't see it from here now. Nature, finally. Garrett, where are you? Okay guys, here's a quick vlog update for you. I'm left behind because everyone's like right there, and I had to fix my backpack because it's raining now, like properly raining, and I don't want to get wet. I don't want my stuff to get wet. Also, I removed the other layer, the vest, because it's gotten really warm. You know, when you're doing a lot of movements, and I always over layer, and then when I start hiking, I'm like, okay, too much, and then I take off the clothes. Okay. Banana break. Banana break. I like this girl. She's funny. Singapore bitches. I was totally thinking about I wasn't walking. Anyway. Yeah. Guys, how are you feeling? Great! Look at so much energy, Janica. Who are you? I'm at the back of the line and I need to run to meet people. Guys, you need to see this. It's so nice. Look at that. The aqueduct. That's why I'm so hard. Is this the aqueduct? Yes, it is. Hi, vlog! See, this is why I hike. This is why I go outdoors. Killing. Oh my gosh, this is so cool. Hello! Hello out there. Does anybody want to wine? Lunch. Did somebody say chips? Yeah. Yay! We made it to the actual waterfalls, and it's beautiful. Kasama sa group shot kasi busy ako nagpa-picture mag-isa. Problems. Say hi! Hi! Okay, thank you my two friends. Pura vida. Whatever that means. Living la vida loca. We are back in Madrid, and the first place we go to, Asia Supermercado, because we're Asian AF. So anyway, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye. Billy?
Bye. Stay confident.
Yes!
Oh my god, sorry.
Perfecto.
I'm loading.